Today, we have for you a simple goat curry. To start with, we have some bite-sized piece of goat meat from our local butcher. We were trying out a new dish that involves the skin, so we de-skinned it ourselves, but skinned meat always saves hassle. After the meat is prepped, it's time to put the pan on, but we'll start by showing you the ingredients we used to make this curry. First up is the wonderfully prepped meat, which has got bones in it as well. Bones are a really good way to add more flavor to your curry. We've also got some hot garlic, onion and some tomatoes. Cardamom and star anise as whole spices, keeping the nutmeg on the side for later. We'll now add some oil to the pan and slowly drop the meat pieces. We'll cook them until a nice fond is formed on the bottom. Fonds are a really good way to add the meat taste to the curry. Refrain from touching it unless you absolutely have to, so that the meat gets time to brown up. We're also gonna add some salt in the process so that the meat is seasoned. We were happy with the browning we had on the bottom, so we took them out. We'll now add the whole spices to the pan and keep on mixing. Some cumin and those half garlic will go next. After we mix them well, we will add some powdered cumin, chilli flakes and turmeric. You can add your own dry spice mix in this step if you wish to. We are then gonna stir it until it mixes with the brown bits formed on the bottom of the pan, and then add some onion. Add some tomatoes and cook them for a few minutes. We're also going to add some salt so that the tomatoes soften up a bit faster. After they've been cooked for around 5 minutes, it's time to add back the brown meat and stir it for maximum exposure. Measure the water according to your thickness needs and taste and adjust for seasoning. Then put the lid on, turn the gas down to low and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes before serving it with rice, bread or any carbs of your preference.